swag, bitch.
Good morning, guys. This will be part 4 of the video. I'm not doing too good today, so I don't know how far I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna start with the oil pan spacer, and then I'm going to continue with the hot side piping. I really don't feel like getting my hands itchy too early in the morning, so I want to get this out of the way, and then I'll continue wrestling with the up pipe to see if I can get it in place and I can connect it to the rest of the exhaust. And then after that, I think I should be able to put the turbo. So that would be the great news, but I still have to tighten everything up, so it's definitely gonna take some time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish all that today. Something fell on my eye yesterday while I was taking a shower and it's still hurting, so yeah, we'll see how far I get today. Hopefully I can get everything done. Hey guys, so here we have the oil pan spacer. I already put the spacer to the oil pan. Now I'm gonna put it to the lower oil pan. Already also put the spacer or extension for the oil pickup tube. And yeah, that's it. So now I'm just gonna put this one on and we should be done with that. Also I did from here the oil pressure and the feeding for the turbo on. Hey guys, so I'm sorry for the lack of updates, but I just been stuck trying to fit the turbo in here. For some reason I can't line this up. I already loosened it up to see if I find a way to line up the turbo. And yeah, honestly that's been the biggest struggle. I have 2 friends that are coming to help me, and one of them has the same kit, so he already has an idea how it goes. Yeah, hopefully we can get it installed today, and that will probably be the biggest thing. I told him if he could help me with the hot side, and he said yes, so hopefully we can get that done today. The other thing is, good news is that I finally got my injectors. These are 1200 cc injectors, and they were in a Z that was boosted as well. They're pretty much brand new. He only had it for like 800 miles, so I think that they should work just fine. I'm still missing the fuel pump, but at least I already have the injectors, and the fuel pump is in the back of the car, so I can pretty much install the whole kit and then do the fuel pump once everything's ready. Hey guys, sorry that I haven't been recording much, but today has been a really good day for the car. We got a lot of stuff done. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So as you guys can see, we got this pipe done. This waste gear is still loose. I haven't tightened this stuff yet, but it's there. All the hot side is done. So you can see it was a pain, and I had a good amount of help from a friend that has also the same kid. I'm gonna show you right now his car. But yeah, this is how everything looks. Everything's already tight, and I'll show you now the turbo that is not moving. This side is also done. I also have to tighten it up, that wastegate. But yeah, give me 1 second. As you can see, turbo drain line is in, the other line as well. So moving to the top of the car, as you can see, there's a lot going on. So as you can see, turbo is in. It's starting there, so it's not moving. I still have to connect my coolant lines. They're not connected, but yeah, I will connect them tomorrow. I have to get this pipe in because it's not really in the coupler right now. I just kind of put it there pretty for you guys for the video, but yeah, this side, as you can see, is pretty much done. I just have to put the couplers. But yeah, today was a really good video. Huge shout out to Eric for helping me put the turbo on the car, because this thing was not easy. He made it look easy. We did it in like 20 minutes. But yeah, it was definitely one of those things that you need to do with 2 people, because I would have definitely not been able to do that by myself at all. So now I'm just going to lower the car, and I'll probably continue working on it tomorrow because I have to go out. If not, I will stay working with the car. But yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I already got the 1200cc injectors. I'm also going to be installing those tomorrow. So tomorrow what I have planned is doing the injectors. I have to put these 2 lines, these two fuel lines back in place. It's also gonna be a pain because now there's no space down there. What else? I want to put the coolant lines, and I want to finish trimming this part. I have to find something to actually be able to cut this properly. That way I can put the charge pipe with the blow off valve. And yeah, that's all the plans for tomorrow. There's always something that's gonna delay everything, but hopefully we can get as much as we can done. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.